Every day, road construction projects disrupt our lives. Traffic congestions, detours, and delays become a part of our daily routine. Pedestrians, cyclists face inconvenience and unsafe conditions as sidewalks are blocked off. Other than air pollution, road construction also causes noise pollution, and we, the community, are left feeling frustrated and inconvenienced.
When is this gonna end? It's so frustrating.
Oh, it's taking forever.
I wish the roads are back to normal soon.
Oh, what can we do?
As a community, we can adapt.
But we can also contribute positively by volunteering in our community during these times.
We can use designated bike lanes, alternate routes, carpool, or use public transportation.
Road construction may be inconvenient, but it leads to better roads and a brighter future.
Let's embrace the challenges together to build a better tomorrow.